Hello there. So today I will teach you how to change the defrost interval on a carrier refrigeration unit, whether it's a carrier prime line or a carrier elite line or carrier thin line. There will always be this manual defrost or defrost interval button. So in order to change the interval, just press the button and you will see that it has changed to CD27 auto. You just press enter and it will start to blink, and you can use the up and down arrow to change the interval. Sorry, enter. You can change to 24 hours, 12 hours, 9 hours, 6 hours or 3 hours. So that's about it. I usually leave it on 24 hours on a frozen cargo. You press enter again and go here, and you'll see that it has changed 24 hours. So that's about it.